down below. We decided to post again because we realized that we got 324 views on one video and we really appreciate the support. And so we decided we'd upload to you guys once again. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to use Windows 10 free editing software. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Alright guys, so I've just launched Photos in Windows, and now I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go click the video editor section. So here I can see all my previous video that I made. I'm going to go ahead and just click on video 1 because it has a lot of the stuff we're going to show you. So obviously name your video what you want to name it. So I can go ahead and I'll name it Hi guys. Okay, that's the name of my video. Then what we can go ahead and do is we can add some files or like whatever you would like in your video. So from the web you can add memes and whatever you would like to make your video more entertaining. From my collection would be from your photos and stuff that you've taken pictures of, and from this PC, which will be your files. So basically, I'll just put in one of the things that I've done, which I can put in, here, why don't we put this? Just a random image to go with this. And then basically what you can do is, then you can just drag it and drop it anywhere you would like. And then the next thing you can do is add a title card. A title card can be used as a transition to label what you're going to be showing next. So over here you can add text, background color, which I can change this from pink to blue or from blue to green, and then the duration. So if I want it to be maybe like 1 second, I can go ahead and do that. Then what I can do is I can add text here, which is going to be let's go with adventure. So then I got this like smoky thing on the back or whatever, and then you can adjust where you would like to keep your text. I like the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it there, and then it can just be like my text. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty straightforward, just adding your text, and then you can press done. Okay, anyway, now what you can do is you can also adjust the background color like I was saying earlier. So I don't really think this fits with this, so I might change it to orange or this weird kind of red magenta thing. I don't know what it's called. But then you can also make a custom color for your background if you would like, which you get the color wheel. Then you can make it any color you'd like. I want to make it a very dark red, and then you can always adjust it like this, but then it'll become a black. So I think I might just make it a nice red, dark red, perfect. And now I have something that looks pretty nice. Then I can go ahead and click done. And then another cool thing that you can do is add background music into your videos. So they have a lot of audio stuff that you can put into your video as background music. I think these are for more like joyful, crafty videos, so they don't really fit a lot of videos. But if that's the case, then what you can go ahead and do is add custom audio. So you can download music onto your computer and just add an audio file from your files. But yeah, that's how to add custom audio into your videos. Also guys, we might be posting a video later on how to add like a custom audio from the web, but for now I'm going to be showing you guys the how to like trim and split your like videos. So if you want to trim your video in the beginning, because you have to like do something in the beginning, what you can do is just like, I want to bring it over here and then I want to trim it. And if you want to trim it from the end, just bring it in, and that's pretty much just how to trim it. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. The next part is splitting it. So say that, you want to shorten the middle part but you can't do that with the trim effect. You're gonna have to split it and then trim it. So if I want to split it, you just have to bring it into wherever you want. So the middle is where I want to split it from. So if I want to do that, I can just split it from there and do that. So next is text. So you can add text to like your video clips themselves. You don't need to add like a title card or anything. So if I'm clicking on this text, I can just do like that video. I can click text, and let's see. So with some of them, like boom, when I type like hi, wait, hold on. And then you have to choose layout. So like if I chose middle, it'll like just kind of like zoom into like whatever that text is here. So it's only showing like the body of the player, and everything else is white. So basically what's gonna happen is your video clip will be set as the fill for your text. Yeah, but if you're going for some other thing like joy, it's not gonna happen. It's just gonna make this weird background and now, yeah. Let's see. I like cinema. Yeah, see, that's just nice and clean. And then you can click done. So another thing is motion. So motion usually works on like pictures. It doesn't really work kind of on videos. So if you go to like this, then you can click on like motion and like click on like whatever you want. So if I want to zoom out center or like this, hold on, I want to zoom in center. And then I apply that. And if you click on it, and it just helps draw your audience's attention to a specific area of the picture or of your video, and it just makes your video much better. Yeah, but if we go back to our videos, there's like 3D effects and stuff, and I think it's on this video. Or actually, wait, hold on, let me find it. Oh wait, I think it's in this or that. Yeah, wait, I think it's in. And then if you play it, hold on, let me just click on that. Alright, now as you guys can see, what's gonna happen is I've already put a 3D effect in here, but now you guys can see that really cool thunder thing going on with my player, and you can see like that really cool thing. And basically the way to do that is you can go ahead and select 3D effects. So if you double click on that, it'll usually say this, and you just have to wait a little bit. And then you can like do like all of these effects. So if I want this, I can click on that. Oh yeah, now it's added. So I wanted to follow this player. So now it's just gonna follow that player. So as you can see, it just basically followed that player around. And you can also most of them come with like a volume, like a music with it. But if you don't want that music and you want to add like your own thing into it, you can just like cancel that, or if you want more volume to it, you can like higher it. It's really up to you. So if I'm done with that for now. And then the next thing is if I'm clicking on this video over here, and I can do filters. So if this is like a really awesome moment and you just like dunked or something and it's really cool, you can make like a joy kind of thing. Or if you just got if somebody just like blocked the ball from your hand or something and now you're really sad, you can make it like a sad mood. So yeah, it's up to you. So one of the last things is speed. So speed is obviously like up to when you get to 2, that's where it stops, and it just starts going by like 2s. But until then it's like 1.5, 1.75. And the max is 64, which is pretty fast. And the lowest is obviously 1. So if I want to like make it a little bit fast, that's up to me and I can do that. And then there's this, so you can like remove blackboard bars or shrink to fit. I just clicked on this. And then if you want to make it like funky and weird, you can just like switch it up. So if you want it like that, or if you want it upside down and that's just your thing, then you can do that. You want it sideways, or you can make it normal. Yeah. And trashing it, if you're like, this clip is not what I want, then then you can just like trash it. And if you're like, okay, this is a waste of time, I'm just gonna remove it because I'm raging, that's fine also. Now it's time to finish your video. So it gives you video quality, and you can basically decide, like, if you're like, okay, I don't really care about the quality, you can just do this and it'll like literally, I think it'll export faster because it's like not much. Medium, and then there's high quality. So if you're like making a YouTube video, I would definitely recommend this because it says recommended as well. And there's also more options, and I don't know what this means. It just, yeah, I don't know what this means. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it just makes exporting faster as it labels. You can just read that because yeah, you can read, I think. And then the last step is to export your video.
Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed learning how to edit on Windows 10 free video editor. And if you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.